You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words that look somewhat similar, but they have different meanings and they are pronounced differently as well. So we need to learn how to pronounce those. The top word here is pronounced as buttocks. 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 This is your derriere. You know, the what are those muscles called? You know, what you've got in your on the lower part of your back, the buttocks. All right. Now, Botox is a molecule that you inject in your lips or other body parts. So buttocks versus Botox. All right. Top word buttocks, Botox. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.